Welcome to our ultimate plastic bottle hack roundup. Today you'll discover how to turn empty bottles into car organizers, quick plungers, garden wash basins, tool holders, pet feeders, and more. Let's dive into these amazing bottle transformations that everyone should know. Cut off the bottom of a plastic bottle. Make 2 holes opposite each other near the cut. Thread a rope through the holes and secure it. Hang the construction on the headrest of a car seat. Fold the wet umbrella and place it in the hanging bottle. All water will drain into the container, keeping the interior dry. Cut off the bottom of a plastic bottle. Cut a long rectangular opening along the entire bottle. Place the dirty paint roller inside the bottle. Direct a pressurized water stream through the slot onto the roller. Water will circulate inside the bottle and quickly clean the paint from the tool. Make a cutout along the plastic bottle following the marked lines. Put the bottle with the cutout on the bicycle chain and pour oil inside. Turn the pedal by hand. The chain will pass through the oil and get completely lubricated. Your hands stay clean, and the chain gets even lubrication along its entire length. Forgot to bring spoons on your picnic? Now I'll show you how to make several spoons from an ordinary plastic bottle. Smooth the edges of the spoons by slightly melting them with a lighter, and now you can enjoy juicy summer watermelon. Remove the broken handle from a large jug. Take a rope and a small piece of plastic tubing. Thread the rope through the tube. Tie the rope as shown in the video and put it on the neck of the jug. The plastic tube will serve as a comfortable handle. Now you can carry the heavy jug without pain in your palms. The toilet is clogged, and you don't have the necessary tools or products for unclogging? Cut off the bottom of a plastic bottle. Put a garbage bag on your hand like a glove. Take the bottle with the cut part down. Lower the bottle into the toilet and make plunger movements up and down to create pressure. After clearing the blockage, throw away the bottle together with the bag. Cut off the top part of a small plastic bottle and make triangular cuts on the edge from both sides. Screw the cut part with the cap to a wooden block using a screw. Insert 2 cables into opposite triangular slots. Solder the connection. The wires will be securely fixed in a convenient position. Make a hole with a soldering iron in the lower part of a large plastic jug. Hang the jug by the handle in a convenient place in your garden and fill it with water. Slightly open the cap. Water will flow from the hole. Tightly close the cap. The water flow will stop. You get a convenient wash basin for the cottage or garden. Melt the top of the cap with a lighter and make a depression with a pencil. Cut off the tip of the depression to get a small hole. Make a hole in the center of the bottle bottom. Cut a fitting from an old unnecessary tire. Put the fitting on a stick and apply hot glue. Thread the stick with the fitting through the bottle and the hole in the bottom. Put a silicone tube on the fitting and lower the hose into a large container with water. You get a siphon for transferring water from large containers without turning them over, suitable for draining water from an aquarium or gasoline from a gas tank. Cut off the top part of a small plastic bottle with the cap. Put the cut part on the hammer handle. Heat the plastic with a construction hairdryer so it tightly grips the handle. Unscrew the cap and pour nails inside. You get a convenient organizer right on the hammer, and nails will always be at hand and never get lost during work. Similar life hack with a fishing rod, only instead of nails, hooks. Make a cutout in the lower part of the first bottle following the marked lines. In the second bottle, cut off the top and bottom parts. Make a round hole in the first bottle and insert the neck of the second bottle there. Fix the connection with a sealing ring. Glue two caps with hot glue, they will become a stand for the construction. Pour cat food through the top part and close it with the cut bottom of the bottle. You get an automatic feeder, food will pour out as it's eaten. Make a hole in the cap of a plastic bottle. Make a slot in the side part of the cap and insert a blade from a utility knife. Fix the blade with a small bolt. Make another small hole nearby. Insert a cable into it and rotate it against the blade. The insulation will be neatly removed without damaging the wires. Don't rush to throw away a cable with cracked insulation. Screw a plastic cap to a wooden block. Light the edge of the cap with a lighter until drops of melted plastic form. Quickly wrap the damaged part of the cable with melted plastic while it's hot and pliable. Wait for complete cooling. Cut off the bottom from a plastic bottle. Use it as a stand for a hot glue gun. All drops of hot glue will flow into the plastic container, not onto the work table. Take two plastic bottles. Cut off the neck from the first one and make a rectangular cutout along the entire second bottle. You get a convenient organizer for nails, screws, bolts, and so on. Cut off the top and bottom parts of a plastic bottle. Cut such a part from the central section as shown in the video. Make two holes for a hook. Insert wet washed shoes into the resulting construction and hang by the hook for drying. Shoes will keep their shape and dry faster after washing.